It's going to get a lot worse tonight, and today we may see just a little bit of some sunshine, but I don't think it's going to make a big difference to the temperatures really, and also to the roadways. Let's take a look. First of all, it is still 20 degrees outside, noon hour 20, and the problem is we still have quite a bit of cloud cover. Now we see a little sun through there, but also just a lot of clouds. And look how dry it is. Dew point is at 6. I want you to remember that. So a couple of things that I'm watching, and you should be watching, is we've got this major winter storm that just continues. We're not done yet. We may have 2 more additional waves of winter type weather. First of all, winter storm warning is in effect for tonight and overnight. I think travel is going to get hazardous. Actually, it's hazardous now. I think it's going to get dangerous with freezing drizzle, freezing rain. Now, I'm not expecting huge accumulations, but it doesn't take that. Just drizzle for about an hour, and that's going to really put a nice glaze on the bridges. And now I think roadways, usually with a freezing drizzle, freezing rain situation, the roads usually do okay, but they've been conditioned for so long now that we will likely have a problem. Plus, we may have a little bit of some sleet mixing in too, and that's not going to help. So chance for another winter mix Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Okay, in the pink shade here, this is where we've got the winter storm warning that is in effect, and this is where you'll see an accumulating sleet or freezing rain. I think primarily freezing rain, but again, maybe a little sleet mixing in. And then we've got a winter weather advisory in the purple counties, and that's where there will be less amounts. But I think here in the city, anywhere from around 5/100ths to maybe 1/10 of an inch. And off to the north and east could be even more significant than that over around Gonzales. We could truly have additional power problems, it looks like, towards Gonzales. So wind chill, 9 degrees at the noon hour. That's incredible. 13 is what it feels like at Floresville. Kerrville feels like about 16. Let's take a look at these temperatures. We're sitting at 20. We've got 19 at Bernie, but where they've seen a little bit more sunshine over to the east, temperatures mid-20s, not that much warmer. And these clouds, they're just reluctant to move out of the way, but they're trying to do so. Let's take a look at the visible satellite imagery. First of all, we're not used to seeing snow. I mean, look at all that snow. Everything that didn't move, that is snow. So we've got cloud cover kind of mixed in here, and then this is the slug of moisture that's moving northward, and that's what's going to give us the drizzle tonight and also give us a little bit of some freezing rain tonight as well. Look at these temperatures up at Dallas-Fort Worth. It's only 11 degrees right now, or actually 14. We've got 20. Oklahoma City 4. This is just truly an Arctic air mass. This is going to blow you away a little bit. Okay, I took Fairbanks, Alaska. Temperature 7. Look at the part of the United States that is colder than Fairbanks, Alaska. This line is Anchorage, Alaska at 21. These are the locations in the U.S. that's colder than Anchorage, Alaska. And guess where we're at? Yeah, right now we're colder than what they've got right now in Anchorage, Alaska. Okay, what a cold air mass. All right, here's the next system that I am watching right now, and that is why we're starting to see a little bit of a slug of moisture coming north out of the Gulf of Mexico in response to this. This trough is going to continue to deepen. We're going to see lift continuing. Now starting to see some snow already out in West Texas, and again, we'll have a little mixture of some sleet and freezing rain, I think, overnight, and then a real quick shot of winter precip Wednesday night into Thursday. So this is the way it comes together. Maybe a little sunshine this afternoon, maybe a little thawing of the roadways. Don't count on much though. Temperatures topping out 30, 32. And then once the precip starts later on this evening, freezing drizzle, maybe a little sleet mixing in, temperatures drop to the mid-20s, and then tomorrow morning we'll be close to around 30. Precipitation will be over. Computer models say we get in the upper 40s. I'm really doubtful about that. And then here comes our next shot of sleet and some freezing rain, and that's going to be Wednesday night and into Thursday. Highest amounts of freezing rain will likely be over to the east towards Gonzales. So 32 for a high. Temperatures at 10 o'clock go down to 25, again with an 80% chance of freezing rain. I think those roadways are going to get really hazardous overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, I'm really doubtful about this 48, maybe lower 40s for a high. And then we get another chance for some winter precip Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and then gradually we'll start warming things up back to normal by Sunday.